Uncle, I am grateful to God that I am here today. It has not been easy in the city, but thank God for everything. So far, I have gotten a house of my own in the city.
Izu, you don't have a house?
Yes, Uncle.
In the city?
And also a car of my own. This is the key.
Izu,
This is my car key, Uncle.
you got a car?
Yes.
Izu, a car?
Yes.
Hey!
And that is the main reason I have come. So that I can receive your fatherly blessings. You know, since your brother and my father died, you have been our father.
Izu,
Uncle.
you know your father and my brother. You know how much we loved ourselves.
Yes.
And you being his child, which makes you my nephew. You have made us proud. Izu, I will pray for you.
Thank you, Uncle.
I will pray for you.
Thank you.
I will pray for you. So you can get back to the city and do more exploits. And do greater things. And make the family proud.
Thank you, Uncle.
I believe that was why you brought the wine.
Yes, so. Yes. Yes. And by God's grace, this our old house. If I go and come back, we can renovate it and make it a befitting one.
So you will repair this house?
Yes, for the family. We'll change it to a befitting house. We'll change it to a befitting house.
It's why I know you will make me proud.
Yes.
I wish your father was alive to see this.
You see?
Kai.
Uncle is God, though. He's God. It's not my power.
Izu, let me pray for you. Let me pray for you. But how is life in the city?
Uncle, it's not easy. It has not been easy.
Aye.
But we bless God, Uncle.
Izu, what about this white man sickness that they say is ravaging everybody in the city?
Coronavirus. Uncle, we are safe. We thank God. God is helping us. Uncle.
Let me put for you first since you came from a very long journey.
Cause for celebration.
Izu, let me pray for you. So before we drink it,
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Neither. I know you're a big boy. All these citizen children. Chukwu Okike, your son has come for me to bless him. In your going out, you are blessed.
Amen.
When you are coming back again, you are blessed.
Amen.
Everything you shall put your hands to do, Izu, it shall be blessed.
Amen.
Anything you touch, Izu, will flourish.
Amen.
Izu, people shall look at you and favor you.
Amen.
When you are doing business.
Amen.
Izu, anything, you will have good market.
Amen.
Where they call your name that is not good, Izu, it will not work.
Amen.
Izu, everything that is good, you will get it.
Amen.
Izu, this year, you will marry.
Amen.
They will give you plenty money.
Amen.
City will favor you.
Amen.
You have one house, but you have plenty houses.
Amen.
In your neighborhood, people shall see you and call you king.
Amen.
Izu, you will help people.
Amen.
Plenty. Anything you touch, Izu, it shall turn to gold in your hand.
Amen.
Izu, you shall not lack.
Amen.
Kai! Izu, you will never lack.
Amen.
So shall it be.
Amen. Say.
Okoro, you are here.
Mazindoka.
You are welcome.
Yes, so people who don't have a seat here.
Okoro,
You can get one seat there.
You know I wanted to call you, but the children said you were not around.
This must be Izuchukwu.
This is Suzu, Nana, my late brother's son.
What's your Okoro? I greet you.
Izuchukwu, you have grown this big.
Thank you, sir.
No, Nwam, eh?
It's God, though.
Have a handshake. No, Nwam. How are you doing in the city?
Fine. Yeah. I'm happy to see you, Mazi.
Hey, Ukamaka, bring glass of Mazi Okoro.
You don't need to bother yourself. I'm okay, eh?
You want to join in this celebration?
I know. I'm going to celebrate with you people some other time.
Oh, my son, let us toast to good success and long life.
Yes, uncle.
Drink. Drink more.
Very nice wine.
Drink.
Mazin Duka, I just came back from the city yesterday.
Okay.
In respect of the village meeting that will be coming up tomorrow. I was on my way to the palace. I decided to branch by to greet you, you know.
Oh, you have done well. Mazi Okoro, you have done well.
You're welcome.
Mazin Duka. Ịma ndị be anyị si na onye ajụjụ adịghị efu ụzọ. Achọrọ m ịjụ gị ofu ihe. Let me ask you one thing.
Okay.
Mazin Duka. Do you really love this your nephew, Izuchukwu?
Mazi Okoro, what is that? This is not my late brother's son. Why would I love my son? Mazi Okoro, are you the one that is supposed to ask this question? Okoro, you should know better now. Are you not seeing that we are happy?
We are celebrating.
We're happy.
Mazin Duka, I want to ask you one more time. Are you sure you love this young man? Are you sure you prayed from the depth of your heart for this young man?
Mazi Okoro, what is the meaning of this nonsense you are speaking in my house? Did you come to my house to insult me? Why would you ask me if I love my... Are you not seeing is my blood? Okoro, I don't like this.
Yes, this is my father's brother.
Tell me that you didn't poison this drink.
Uncle, Mazi Okoro. Mazi, did you come to my house to tell me I will poison my own son? Mazi, it's as if you have overstayed your welcome in this house. It's time for you to leave now. Mazi, leave!
You are asking me to leave your
house? Leave my house! Can you imagine? This nonsense in my house?
Uncle, what is happening here? What is happening? Mazi,
you said I should leave your compound.
Mazi Okoro, I said leave my house!
He that kills with sword doesn't allow a sword to go behind him. Well, I will leave. But before I leave, I want to inform you that I changed your drinks. The one you inserted the substance, I brought it to your direction. So that was exactly what you drank. Why are you worried? You said you didn't poison it.
How can I poison you? Did you really change it?
It's like you are deaf.
You plan to poison me? How will I poison you? I can't poison you. You are my son. Mazi Okoro, why did you change it? Isn't your drink? Why did you have to change it?
I saw what you were putting and I suspected something.
Hey.
So instead of you to destroy the life of a young man like this, I decided to...
Hey!
But you said you didn't poison it.
What have I done to you? Mazi Okoro, you have killed me.
How did you?
Mazi Okoro, you have killed me.
Look at you! An innocent young man that came for your blessing. Instead of you to bless him, you planned to kill him.
Mazi, thank you so much. Thank you
You're
so
welcome,
much
my
for saving my life.
You are not even happy that he is trying to bring progress in your family. You people have destroyed young people in this village. You have killed them all. That is why our community has remained the way it has been for years. No development. Instead of you to support these young ones, you go ahead killing them. How do you think progress will be in the community?
Take what you have.
Ometreburu.
Thank
My
you.
son, go and thank your God that I came around. This is what they have been doing in this village. Killing innocent souls.